This is another positive result for the Welsh Regional Organised Crime Unit and the communities we serve. The sentencing reflects the professionalism and tenacity of the investigating team together with the Crown Prosecution Service during what can only be described as a complex inquiry. Clearly the individuals involved in this case, especially Michael Martin, have no regard for the law and were intent on making large sums of money from their drug dealing activities with no consideration of the terrible impact their actions were having on our communities. The level of the investigation and sentencing should send a clear message to those intent on committing serious crime within our region that you will ultimately be frustrated and held responsible for your actions. We are committed to targeting all forms of organised criminals, and I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to the public that if they have any information that they can help us, then please contact Crime Stoppers anonymously on 0800 555 111.